Hi, welcome to Artistic Documentation. This series has been shared for learning as well as earning. So please stay with us and contribute your time for good chance. The image displays two variations of a conceptual logo design for a tourism website or brand named House of Nomads with the sub-brand or service title Turo, created to represent adventure, exploration, and global travel experiences. At the top of each design is a stylized world map in an earthy terracotta tone, symbolizing the brand's global reach and appeal to nomadic or frequent travelers. Overlaid on this map is the text House of Nomads in a modern, sans-serif green font, which communicates a contemporary, nature-oriented brand identity. The word Turo in large, bold navy lettering sits at the forefront of the snowy mountain landscape, commanding attention and serving as the travel service or product name. One version includes the small orange word travel above Turo, reinforcing the industry focus. A key visual in both versions is the silhouette of a hiker with a backpack, standing against a dramatic mountainous backdrop that includes snow-covered trees and rugged peaks, visually emphasizing themes of adventure, exploration, nature, and escape. The inclusion of a lone pine tree in the foreground gives depth and a sense of place, inviting viewers to imagine themselves in the landscape. The orange mountain graphics behind the hiker add contrast and energy, suggesting sunrise, sunset, or diverse terrains the brand helps customers explore. These designs are highly functional for a tourism website, as the logos combine emotional appeal with clear branding. They serve not only as visual identifiers for the brand but also as representations of its mission, encouraging and enabling people to explore the world in authentic, adventurous ways. These logos can be used across website headers, mobile apps, booking portals, travel blogs, merchandise, and promotional materials. Their composition allows for scalability and versatility, ensuring readability and brand recognition whether used on large banners or small social icons. Overall, the design balances inspiration and professionalism, helping to build brand trust, inspire wanderlust, and attract a target audience of modern, nature-loving travelers looking for unique journeys guided by the House of Nomads brand. A brand logo helps promote a website by serving as the visual cornerstone of your brand identity, instantly communicating who you are and what you stand for to every visitor who lands on your site. It creates immediate recognition, builds trust, and establishes a sense of professionalism, which is crucial in attracting and retaining users in a highly competitive digital landscape. A well-designed logo encapsulates the essence of your brand, through the use of colors, shapes, typography, and symbolism, and conveys emotions or values such as trustworthiness, innovation, adventure, or sustainability, which resonate with your target audience and influence their perception and decision-making. When consistently used across your website, social media platforms, emails, marketing materials, and advertisements, your logo reinforces brand recall and visual familiarity, making it easier for users to remember and return to your website. Additionally, logos enhance user experience by acting as navigational elements, usually placed in the top corner and linked to the homepage, providing intuitive site flow. In the age of search engines and social media sharing, logos also play a role in SEO and branding strategy. Recognizable logos improve click-through rates, help establish brand authority, and can even appear in Google's visual snippets or browser tabs as favicons, strengthening brand presence. Moreover, a unique and memorable logo sets you apart from competitors, helping to define your niche and visually communicate your unique value proposition. Whether you're running an e-commerce store, a blog, a service-based site, or a portfolio, a compelling logo helps to humanize your brand, inspire customer confidence, and drive engagement, ultimately making it one of the most powerful tools for promoting your website effectively and sustainably. Good to see you soon with another new video. You can follow us on GitHub and our official website. Have a nice day.